Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to recover your old Free Fire account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So once you open Free Fire app on your mobile, you're met with this interface. On top of this interface, you'll see the option sign in with Facebook. So if you're trying to log into your Free Fire account through a new device, make sure that you're logged into the Facebook account that is associated with this old Free Fire account. There are also other options through which you can log into your old Free Fire account. If you simply tap on the More button that appears at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to see all these options. So you can sign in with VK, sign in with Google, or sign in with Twitter. The simplest way, however, is to sign in with Facebook. So for that, go ahead and open your Facebook app on your mobile. Now on your Facebook app, make sure that you are logged in to the account that is associated with your account. After doing so, simply go back and open Free Fire app. Now simply tap on sign in with Facebook button. It will take a while, but you will be successfully logged in to your old Free Fire account. And this is how you can recover your old Free Fire account. You can also use Gmail and Twitter, etc. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.